roads aren't the same like they were when you were the one driving my car, and now I just count the waves of our yesterday.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today's an amazing day because, guys, we got the Supra back. The Supra has been missing for 3 months. How come? Well, I sent it down to Florida to be completely juiced up. It was gonna get a 2JZ, a sequential manual, carbon fiber drive shafts, Hoosier tires, weld wheels, a bunch of stuff. But guys, unfortunately, and I hope my thoughts and prayers go out to everyone affected, which is honestly the entire world. I hope everyone is safe right now, healthy, and you're with your family. But you know what? The priority in the world isn't making sure that 2JZs get built and that the car has 1 million horsepower. A lot of people don't have jobs, so it wasn't possible for this thing to be created. Do I wish that after 3 months of making payments on the car while it's sitting somewhere else that it was 2,000 horsepower? Obviously, but you know what? The future of the Supra is very bright. I am so happy to have it back, and today we're gonna take it for a little rip. I'm really stoked, guys. I haven't ever lined up every single car that I have in my garage. This is my 2015 Wraith, 2020 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, then of course, the Mercedes Maybach, El Chupacabra, and the freaking 812 Superfast. I need to drive this more on the channel. Guys, I want to get back into sports cars. I've been listening to all of your comments. I want to bring back the fun cars. I know you guys are like, dude, old men car. Why are you driving all these old men car? You got a Maybach, 2 Rolls Royces. Honestly, when you drive them, you'll understand that I've taken off-road. Haven't shown it because it was a little aggressive. Probably gonna have to do it again. The Cullinan I have off-roaded and it's freaking epic. I probably need to straight pipe it too. Guys, if this video gets 12,000 likes, I will straight pipe the Cullinan. Obviously, the Supra is already straight piped. It's incredibly loud. It has a pure turbo upgrade. It has aftermarket downpipes, as well as, well, it can run on race gas. So this thing, yeah, it's pretty fast. It's not a stock Supra. Then, of course, we have the 600 LT tuned by Dyno Spectrum. This is my fastest car in the arsenal. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, this stock, 600 horsepower. Now it's got 737 to the wheels. It only weighs 2,800 pounds, and it flies. Aftermarket hood, roof scoop, gotta have the roof scoop. This thing tuned as well. 900 horsepower for a freaking 812 Superfast. It's literally probably as fast as a LaFerrari. Guys, if any of you have a LaFerrari, hit me in the DMs, Instagram at Vehicle Virgins or Instagram at P Nierenstein. I want to do a LaFerrari versus 812 Superfast race. I think that would be absolutely gangster. All right, guys, enough talking. Let's hop in the Supra. I miss this thing so much, guys. I really do. All right. It's like seeing an old friend for the first time in a very long time. All right, sport mode activated. Let's go. Oh, yep, that's aggressive. All right. Yeah, the owner of that car needs to come pick it up. Still sitting there. All righty, Supra time. I love having a racetrack for a driveway. Oh, yup. It may not be the most expensive car I have. It may not be the fastest, but honestly, there are parts about this car that make it legitimately the most fun. Every time I see one of these cars on the road, and I see not a ton, but every time I do see one, there's a yellow one that floats around in my area, I get excited. You know that the owner of the car likely is an enthusiast, likely really likes BMWs, because let's be honest, guys, this is basically a BMW with a Toyota badge on it, and likely enjoys driving autocross events, posting pictures of his car on Instagram, all the things that unfortunately I do and I'm guilty of, but you know what? That's what car guys do, ladies and gentlemen. This is a car guy car. It's not a car guy car through and through. I know, it didn't totally live up to the old school Supra reputation, but the modification potential of the B58 motor is insane. I've already realized some of its potential with the downpipe, the bigger pure turbo, pure 800 turbo, with methanol injection, this and that. It's capable of pretty much 800 horsepower. The goal was, though, to take the motor out of it, plop a 2JZ in it, and go way over 800 horsepower. So if you got any shops in the local area, because obviously sending it to Florida and then nobody's working right now, no fault at all to the shop that had it. They took care of it, they detailed it, they put new tires on it like good guys, and unfortunately it just wasn't possible. They even ordered all the parts, like all of them, and they just never showed up because, well, people weren't manufacturing the parts, people weren't shipping the parts. It just is what it is. But now I got the Supra back. I'm driving on some of my favorite roads. It's a beautiful day today, and I'm actually thinking on Saturday or Sunday doing an all BMW M3 and Supra rally. I know a lot of you guys are thinking, dude, he's got these supercars and these Rolls Royces. Did he lose touch with the car world? Absolutely not, guys. I still love, every time I see an E30 M3, E36, an older AMG, CL600, a Supra. I was actually looking at an NSX the other day to bring to the channel to buy. But I get excited. I get excited like a little kid in a candy shop full of really expensive candy because they're cars, and I just wish they were the same price as candy, please. Oh yeah, and boys, we're vlogging again, so let me know what you think of this style. I kind of missed vlogging. I missed the fast-paced, fast-cut lifestyle. So, you know, cameraman stuff's cool. But even with super good cinematography, sometimes you lose that person-to-person connection that I feel like I was missing from you guys for a while. So let me know, comment section below. If this thing gets 10,000 likes, I'm gonna switch back to vlog style for a while. Pump out some vlogs for you guys. Just me and you guys basically face to face, man to man, woman to man, that's face to face, man to man, man to woman, whatever type, woman to woman, who cares? Well, I'm not a woman, but this just got really weird. I love this thing. Look how pretty it is today too. The grass is green, the sun's shining. Going slow because that guy's biking. Good for him, actually. You know, it's a weird thing. I grew up in Northern California, the whole share the road thing. There's this, you know, love-hate. I love bikes, but, you know, when they're in the middle of a crazy canyon, it can be dangerous, but they have the right to be on the road. He's getting exercise, I'm not, I'm just pressing the gas. I can go faster, though. You're in the rear view mirror, sorry about that. For the inevitable comments that say, why is he talking so fast? Look, guys, I talk quickly when I'm excited. I just got my Supra back. I'm gonna talk how I want. I could talk really slow if you want. You know, I could talk about vvgear.com, which we don't talk about on the channel. That is vvgear.com, which is link in description for some awesome merchandise. Also, guys, let me know in the comment section below what kind of content you want to see from me. What do you miss from Vehicle Virgins? I think we need some head-to-heads. I think we need a freaking Supra versus Wraith, maybe drag race action. When stuff frees up, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because when everything loosens up, the content is gonna be ridiculous, guys. I mean, I got all those cars in the driveway, just gotta figure out what to do with them. So you got sick ideas? You wanna see something unique? Ever see a Cullinan race a Wraith versus a Supra with a 812 doing donuts in the back and a 600 LT with the doors going up and down and a Tesla singing some Christmas song? I haven't seen that. That'd be pretty lit. This makes me sad, guys. It's a realization of where the world is right now. I mean, this used to be my favorite spot up here in the Malibu Canyons, and literally you can't park here anymore because people were grouping up and having little car meetups, which I absolutely love. They're even wearing masks, and unfortunately the police determined that that's not allowed and put all of these blocking devices up. When can we have car meets? When can we have car rallies, car shows? I hope soon, guys. I really miss that whole environment, I really do. Oh, beautiful new X3, excuse me. A good color. All right, acceleration time, boop. Yup, Supra! Oh my God. Oh my God. It actually makes me feel like a child when I drive this thing. Fun fact, see that house up there? Rumor on the street is the owner of the house made it out of a Boeing 747 wing that was recycled. That is freaking badass. Oh yeah, you know the roof of my house? Yeah, it's made of a Boeing 747. What's your roof made out of? Probably not that. I mean, definitely not that. Not mine anyways. Jeez. I think if the Flintstones were in the mob, that would be their house. For sure. Sorry for everyone in a couple mile radius. Despite loving cars since age 3, there's literally a picture of me in a car that I built out of Tinker Toys and blue tape when I was 3 years old. And then it had, like, I guess I wrote something, or my mom wrote it. It said Parker's Top Fuel Dragster. I imagine my mom wrote it. I've loved cars since I was 3 years old, and I never stopped learning, ever. Also, this is super zoomed into my face. Now it's zoomed out. Now it's really zoomed in. Sorry about that. The plan, guys, after the car came back with crazy power, was some new wheels, a different color. So honestly, let me know in the comment section below, what are you thinking? What color should I do? What color wheels and what brand of wheels should I get for the Toyota Supra? The sky's the limit. I want your guys' input. Let's make this thing literally the coolest, fastest Supra on YouTube. Well guys, there you have it, a vlog with the Supra. Feels like the good old days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.